So this is the RV question challenge. I saw it on Steve Turtle's site and I was really interested in it. And then I got super excited when the Traveling Pisces challenged me to do it. So here we are. Thank you, Traveling Pisces. Good morning, everybody. Today we're doing the 10-question RV challenge. I saw this challenge over on Steve Turtle's site, and the idea is to answer 10 RVing questions and then to challenge 5 other RVers to answer the same questions. So here we go. Question number 1, if you could change or add anything to your RV, what would it be? The one thing that I would add would be an automatic awning. We have the basic type of awning where you go out and struggle to put it down and take it up. And there's been so many times where there's a quick wind coming up and I wish we could just push a button and have that awning come in. So that would be something I'd really like to add. Number 2, what is something you did not expect when you started RVing? For me, it's how difficult it is to get anything repaired. I expected we would need repairs. I didn't know how hard it would be to get it done. Oh, number 3, what was the deciding factor when you got your first RV? Well, that's kind of a long story. Our first RV was a 38-year-old Winnebago. Dennis had wanted to go RVing for a long time. I had no experience. I didn't know what to expect. I wasn't interested in it. So we weren't gonna put a lot of money into purchasing one. So we found one that was for sale from a friend of mine at work. And we literally hauled this thing out of a field. And it was old. It was old, but everything worked. And, didn't have any slides. It was a gas engine, and we paid next to nothing for that thing, pulled it home, and Dennis cleaned it all up, and we started RVing in it, and I fell in love with it. What's your favorite meal to cook at camp? We have a funny little meal, and it's super simple. We take a can of chili, our favorite chili, a can of white beans, like northern beans, drain the white beans, that's very important, mix it in with the chili, and then add in some sausage. If we've got leftover breakfast sausage or if we've got a nice kielbasa, doesn't matter. We warm that up, fry it up, chop it up and throw it in with the chili, and I just love it. And I know it's just the silliest little thing, but I really like that. Your must-see destination. I think, well, for us it's a toss-up. We really want to get to Alaska. Not sure if that's going to happen or not. That's quite an adventure to get up to Alaska. But we also really want to get to Maine. The whole Maine area is just absolutely gorgeous, and that is one area we want to make sure that we get to do. What is our favorite thing about RVing? We love meeting the new people. I think actually my favorite thing about RVing is to be able to get to places. You know, when you're living the sticks and brick life, If you want to go visit the grandkids, you have to make arrangements for vacation time. You have to fly. You have to figure out where you're going to stay. You have to see if you got to rent a car if you go anywhere. But with the RV, I can decide I want to go spend some time with the grandkids, and we can go and spend a month down there. Or we've got friends we haven't seen in years. We can make arrangements to stop and see each of those friends on our journey. So I guess getting to visit friends and family is easier with the RV, and that's probably my favorite part of it. What is the least favorite thing about RVing? Boy, dealing with breakdowns, because it's not just, oh, there's a leak in the faucet. There's a leak in the faucet, and we have to find a place that can repair it, and we have to see when they've got time to repair it, because maybe it's 3 weeks from now, and the RV is going to be in the shop while they're repairing it. And so where are we going to be, and where am I going to work, and what are we going to do with the dogs? And so dealing with repairs is my least favorite part of RVing, for sure. What is the must-have on my next RV? Well, first of all, I don't plan on having a next RV, but let's say that we were. Man, that's a really hard one, because we have, on this RV, we literally have every single thing that was on our want list. Yeah, I absolutely cannot think of a single thing that I would want that I don't have right now, other than that awning. So I'm gonna have to pass on that one. What is my favorite adult beverage to have on the RV? Well, I'm kind of simple with my adult beverages. I like a Crown and Diet Pepsi. Yes, I know I'm gonna get flack for that one, but it is definitely Diet Pepsi. So, Crown and Diet Pepsi. And the last question, what's my favorite indoor accessory? Well, I could not survive this without our RV Ranger Wi-Fi extender. We purchased that, and it's installed. He installed it on the, I think it's called a Batwing antenna, and it's hooked to that. So when we roll the antenna up, the RV Ranger rolls up, and it extends the distance for picking up Wi-Fi signal. And for me, that is a super, super important thing. So that's it. That's my 10 answers. And so the 5 people that I'm going to challenge to do this are the Grateful Glampers, Wear RV USA, 4 Life Adventures, and that's the number 4. I'm sorry, that's the word 4 Life Adventures, Younger Every Day, and You, Me, and the RV. So I'm sending this challenge out to you guys to answer the questions, and put up a video with your questions. And thanks so much, Steve Turtle, for the idea. Bye-bye. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, send a comment. We really, really appreciate it.